Hype, Malaysian badminton is back. Their doubles is top rated. And what's the reality? Yes, this is true. Aaron Chia, So, and then Perlit and Thinna, then other Manti, and so many other upcoming badminton men's doubles and women's doubles player, even in mixed doubles too. They are performing at top tier level, and we all know what happened last week. Perlit and Thinna won silver medal in World Championships, and Chia So won 2022 championships too. Chia So are proving they are having men's doubles best era. That's the hype. And what's the reality? Reality is that there are upcoming more men's doubles players like Manti, Arifep, Goizuddin, Ongtio. So yes, they have the depth. So what's the hype and reality is equal. The hype is real. Hype. Lizija will return to badminton court and he will win tournaments. What's the reality? There is an issue with Lizija after he got injured multiple times. I don't think his footwork is same. I don't think his mindset is same. I don't think he's trying to do his level best to win the tournaments. So what's the hype? That Lizija will win tournaments, but what the reality is completely different. I hope Lizija wins soon. Hype. Team depth of Malaysia's Thomas Cup is just building. Reality. There is an issue with depth. First of all, in men's singles, there are no other players than Lizija, and even Lizija is not performing at that level. Hype. Media often connect Lee Chong-wei and his legacy with every other player. So what's the reality? A vacuum that Lee Chong-wei left after he got retired from World Badminton, that replacement will take time. That transition from Lee Chong-wei era, his legacy, to upcoming young players will take time. What's the hype? Malaysia is men's singles and women's singles powerhouse. But what's the reality? In men's singles and in women's singles, there are some players with top level of quality badminton. But in reality, their performance lacks. In fact, I will say that Malaysia is doing top rated badminton in men's doubles and even women's doubles. Now finally, in conclusion, let's talk about Chia So. They are continuously performing. They are continuously world champion players. They are playing again and again, defeating top rated men's doubles players. So they are having the proof on the other side. In women's doubles, Perlit and Thinna, numbered second seeded, they are proving themselves at the next world number one contenders until and unless Liu Ten got defeated by them. But right now, what I see is men's doubles. Of course, Malaysia is just skyrocketing. Every other pair, take Chia So, take Goizuddin 2024 for Goizuddin was top rated. And let's talk about next pair, and that pair I am watching them from last 1.5 years. Their improvements are so drastic. I am talking about Manti. I'm just hoping that 2025 and 2026 will be best for Manti. And next talk about Perlit and Thinna. Of course, I have talked about them and they are top rated players. But what I want to see is that more depth in women's doubles and in mixed doubles too. Talking about Chen To, they are world champions. Last week they won and I was so much happy after they won the tournament. But what after Chen To? Do Malaysia has depth in their mixed doubles? That's the question. So finally, there are few points that Malaysia needs to cover to fulfill that hype and reality ratio. First of all, men's singles. After Lizija, where Malaysia needs to make some men's singles player who are internationally capable to win tournaments. And in women's singles, there is Letsana and there are few other players. But there is an issue. They are unable to defeat top rated players. So that's an issue too. Let's talk about mixed doubles. After Chen To, we don't find that level of performers, but that level of winners. But in men's doubles and women's doubles, I think they are doing so good. So in my watch list, Chia So and Lizija. I really want Lizija to do a comeback, just like I always talk about Sen Lakshya. I want Loh In Yu, I want Lizija and Sen Lakshya to do a proper comeback. So what are views? Just comment down below and see you next video. If you like badminton analysis, just click this video and enjoy badminton analysis. You won't be disappointed. Click here.